Well, hello, it's the Brick Neighbor here with a review about the LEGO 60098 Heavy Haul Cargo Train. It's got the train, obviously, it's got three different cars, it's got a loading area with a crane, it's got four minifigs, three male, one female, and it's got on two cars, it's got a tractor and a helicopter. Well, let's look at each and everything separately. Well, first up is the red cargo train itself. I think it's a very nice train. It's fun to build. There were a lot of complaints that it looked very similar to the yellow cargo train from a few years back, the 7939. Well, let's compare them. I've got that one here too. Well, as you can see, the biggest resemblance is this piece here. They've got both. They're both about the same, but for the rest, it's a completely other build. Also, these pieces, they look also the same, but they're narrower here. This is wider. Also, the 7939 is supposed to be an electric cargo train, as this one is more like a diesel. Let's check out some details. As you can see, especially this side is very different from the 7939. You can put this down, open this, and then you can access the battery box and the receiver, like so. One thing I don't like, and that is soon I need to put another. I'm putting in the Lego lights, so the Lego lights I'm coming on here, but then this blue piece won't fit anymore, and this blue piece is necessary to hold the side. So I'm going to, well, I guess I can put the lights on this side of the receiver, but I really want to use one speed regulator for driving and the lights simultaneously. Well, I'll see you in a few weeks how that's going to work out. So let's see the rest of the set. This is the first car. It's a car with a tractor on it. The car itself isn't that special. It's just for holding the tractor in place. The tractor itself is quite nice. It's got a female worker, female minifig, with the hairpiece attached to the helmet. And the tractor itself, it's got a roof you can take off. Then you've got two positions in how the minifig can sit this way to drive and operate the big front loader, and this way to operate the back crane. I think it's very nicely done. The second car is also a very simple cargo car, and it has a helicopter on it. It's a very simple helicopter build, but quite nice. It's got the chain, so you can lift it up. Also, when you remove the chain, then you put this down so that it can rotate. This piece is very necessary, because when you don't have it and the train goes around a bend, this goes sideways and it comes off. So always secure for when on the train. It's got a little piece of equipment there. And as I said, nice and simple. The car itself is also very simple, but it does the job. It fits perfectly. The last one I'm showing, the last car I'm going to show together with the loading dock. It's a car meant for coal and such stuff. Coal, rocks, maybe iron. Don't know. It's a quite nice build, and it's got a play feature. When you open this, all the stones come out. As you can see, probably, I don't know, some stones are still leaving behind, but it's okay. It works quite nice. Also, the build is quite nice with all those slopes. You can close it up, the loading area. You can open this for the tractor to come in and scoop it all up, or you can leave it closed and you can use the big crane. It can slide over here, then you can lower and you can open it. It's got a spring inside, so it will close automatically. Also, if you turn the crane around, you can load here, you can load a car here, and it can load the train cars. But it hasn't got much reach. This is the only reach you got. So the train car really has to stand here if you want to load it. It can't stand all the way here, for example. No. That's all the train cars and pieces that were in this set. I'm now going to show you how it's driving around in my city. Let's see how it looks on the track. Well, that's my conclusion about the review about the 60098 heavy haul cargo train. It's very fun to build. It's a nice train. It's got some similarities to the yellow 7939 train, but I think it has its unique features. So I think that if you get a close look, you can see that they're very different. But all in all, it's a very nice set. I'm very pleased to have it. Well, that's it. I see you in the next video. Bye.